Wolf Camera! Wolf Camera! Camera!
Hello and welcome to Wolf Camera. My name is Bill.
And I am Bill too, and we sell pictures and cameras!
Cameras. You want headphones? We got headphones.
Yes, we do!
Filters. We got filters.
Yes, we do!
2, 1.
You want lighting? We got lighting.
Yes, we do!
Tripods. We got tripods.
Yes, we do!
Go.
Cameras. We got cameras.
And bags too! Green screen photography too. Disclaimer. Ritz Express order only.
You want pictures? We print pictures.
Yes, we do!
Here's our easy to read menu board.
Yes, it is!
We got batteries and anything else you need. We got it.
And if we don't got it, you don't need it. We're hungry like the wolf for your business here.
Yes, we are. Come to Wolf Camera.
Ow!